Hi! In front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this LG. Firstly, find clock and tap on it. Then you need to click on alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. You can turn on or off all of these features with switchers next to them by clicking on the right switcher. When you're done, click on alarm sound and volume, and over here you can change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. You can also pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. If you want to add your own music, you can always click on alarm sound and volume, click on this plus icon at the top right corner and select one of these sources. I will go with audio, so I have to click on it and pick a song. So I will go with that one, and now in order to save it, I need to choose apply over here. Then click on snooze duration and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. After that, scroll down, click on alarm node and label your alarm however you want to. When you're done, click save over here to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, just click at the same switcher. If you want to delete your alarm completely, you can always do that by holding one of your alarms and tapping on this bin icon over here, then choosing delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!